Location, location, location. As in the world of real estate investing, people use that phrase. Today, I want to talk about tax, tax, tax. There's only two things you cannot avoid in the US: death and tax. Not only we pay a lot of personal income tax, depends on your tax bracket, we are paying sales tax, property tax, capital gain tax, and all kinds of FICA tax, exercise tax. If you are self-employed, you need to pay self-employment tax. Hi, this is Jane. Welcome back to another episode of Tax Exempt Millionaire Club. Today, we are talking about tax, but not the regular tax we're talking about. I want to talk to you about a hidden tax that costs more than all others combined. Let's get started. The hidden tax that costs more than all others combined, which is a devastating price of financial ignorance. It is the ignorance tax. It's a very interesting concept, and I just heard from a webinar, which we all know we pay so much in different angles. The combined tax, we just use probably 51% with federal personal income tax, state tax, property tax, capital gain tax, state tax, and in some states, there's inheritance tax as well. But there's much bigger tax, which is we call the ignorant tax, the tax of not knowing how to build wealth. The brutal math of missed opportunities. Imagine someone shows you how to make $1 million. Because it takes money to make money, they charge a fee, consulting fee, membership fee, whatever fee they call that. You know the strategies exist. The roadmap is also clear. The tools are available there for you, but you choose not to act on that knowledge. And this choice costs you $1 million. No government tax will ever come close to that price tag. When you are complaining about you are paying half of the tax, back to the Uncle Sam, the tax man, we are actually voluntarily paying a 100% tax on your potential wealth building through this ignorance and inaction. This is huge. I've never thought about that way until I listened to someone on the webinar. So the ignorance tax is taking 100% of what you could build, but you ignore it. You did not take action. Therefore, you will only take a look how much you're earning this year and how much you are paying tax back to Uncle Sam. In the contrary, you should take a look the potential, what you could do to get that whatever number. We were using $1 million to be a millionaire for that year. We want to call this the knowledge premium. The difference between financial success and struggle isn't luck, the inheritance, and even starting capital. Is the knowledge applied consistently over time. You have to know it, you have to do it, and you have to do it consistently. Consider this: someone who understands compound investing, tax optimization, and wealth building strategies will be systematically performing someone who doesn't, regardless of their starting income level. Ignorance tax compounds daily, which you did not take action. You don't know how to do that $1 million. This ignorant tax is compound daily every day. You don't earn is a day your potential wealth got smaller. Your potential wealth gets smaller. Every month you delay is a month less for compound interest to work in its magic in your favor. We all know the $1 million path exists. You could do emergency fund, debt elimination, index fund, stock investment, tax optimization, real estate investing, other business income if you choose to be self-employed, or setting up a business and go with the compound growth. The path is there, but you ignore it. You did not take action. You did not do what it takes to do what you need to do. This Chinese proverb has been used numerous times in different occasions. The best time to plant a tree was 20 years ago. The second best time is now. This paragraph is very interesting. The real tragedy. We get angry about taxes, which we can control. We had a major BBB tax reform in 2025 when I'm recording this video. But we are ignoring the wealth we choose not to build. We protest a 3% tax increase while leaving millions on the table through financial illiteracy. The government's 51% tax hurts, but our own ignorance calls up 100% of the wealth we never built, the financial freedom we never achieved, and the security we never established. This isn't about blaming anyone. It's about recognizing it's the time about recognizing that the biggest obstacle to wealth isn't external. It's the decision to remain financially uneducated. I want to encourage everyone, stop paying that ignorance tax. The knowledge exists. The tools available. The only question is, will you choose to learn or will you choose to pay the highest tax rate of all, which is 100%, which is also the ignorant tax we are paying? Your future wealth is waiting, and it won't wait forever. Start building it today. Start not paying the ignorance tax